Well, hello everybody out there. My name is Hayden Rush. I'll be your instructor during this term here as we go through this online course for multimedia and video tech. Please feel free to contact me when you have questions. I would ask that you make your contacts as early as possible in the week because this time of year I am extremely busy with televised football, not just NCAA, but high school and all this. So when it comes Thursday night through Saturday night, I am hard to find. So please contact me earlier in the week if possible for questions. Don't wait till the last minute because you may not be able to reach me, or I may not see a message from you till late at night whenever I get in from what I'm doing. So now let's talk a little bit about the expectations for this course. You will have a weekly reading assignment. Please read it. The text is not that difficult, so you should be able to follow through along with the reading assignments. And it's a lot of good information about what we're trying to accomplish here. And you'll be given a weekly quiz. And these quizzes are not hard, but may challenge you a little bit because some of the answers are kind of hidden in the text, so you may have to spend a little time looking for them. Now, the quizzes aren't timed, so you can take as long as you want to, but you only get one shot at it. So you want to be sure to do the best you can. And not every week, but most of the time, you're going to be working on a project of some form or another, whether it's an animation or some sort of a presentation, software thing. And all software, I'm trying to make sure is something that you can get for free so that there's no investment on your part when you're working through this project. And some of these projects are real simple, and some of them are pretty complicated, which some of the more complicated ones you're going to get more than 1 week to work on. But just be sure to follow instructions and do the projects, and you'll be given information of how to submit them so that I see them, and then we can also share them with your fellow participants in the class. And every week there will be a discussion item. So go to the discussion board, look at the week 1, week 2, whatever it may be, and just give us some good thoughts on this information. Do a little research, find out some potentials, regarding what you're asked to find, and share your thoughts and share what you discover as you do a little investigation into what we're doing. Now, all assignments will be due by midnight on Sunday. So be sure that you work towards that goal and that you work on your assignments to get everything done that you can. And if something should happen that you're running a little late, let me know. We'll work it out. But try not to make a habit of it, though. Try to meet the deadlines, because in this form of business, multimedia, and video, deadlines are extremely important. So, and when I say midnight, I say that's your midnight. So if you're in Anchorage, then I'm going to double check that with because if it shows up in my thing you did at 2 a.m., well, I'm going to know, well, he's in Anchorage, so he really turned it in at midnight. Same thing for the East Coast too. I'll look at that also and take that in consideration. Now, if you need to contact me, you have my contact information there on the instructor contact. Please feel free to email me. You have a couple of emails there. I can usually be reached through email. If you need to physically talk to me, probably the best way to do it is to maybe send me a text first, identifying who you are. Yeah, be sure you identify who you are, because I get a lot of phone calls from phone numbers I don't recognize. And if I know who you are, then I'll know immediately to return your call or retext you, however you prefer to do it, and try to help you whatever I can. Just like I said, be aware of my schedule. It's pretty rough. And I'm looking forward to this. This is kind of an experiment for me. This is my first time to teach online. So let's give it a try. I think it's going to be fun. I think I have a lot of good things for you to work through, and a lot of good information for you to learn. So looking forward to it.